From safer showers to effortless mobility aids, the right gadgets can make all the difference. Today, we're looking at Amazon's top picks designed to help seniors and those with mobility challenges live more comfortably, confidently, and independently every day. This sturdy shower chair provides safe, comfortable support for elderly adults or anyone recovering from injury or surgery. Its non-slip rubber feet and drainage holes help prevent dangerous slips, while adjustable legs make it easy to find the perfect height. Built from rust-resistant aluminum, it's lightweight yet durable, ready to make every shower a safer, more relaxing experience. This neck and shoulder massager delivers deep tissue relief with 3D kneading rollers and 8 rotating nodes for a spa-like shiatsu experience at home. Its soothing heat function melts away tension, while adjustable straps let users control intensity and keep hands free. With both home and car adapters, it's the perfect portable stress reliever for relaxation anytime, anywhere. These long-handled toenail clippers make nail care effortless, especially for seniors or anyone with limited mobility. Featuring a foldable design, adjustable magnifier, and ergonomic grip, they provide precision and comfort, whether sitting or standing. Made with a lightweight aluminum handle and durable steel clippers, they're perfect for safe, easy grooming without the strain. This foot massager combines deep kneading, heat, and air pressure to melt away soreness and improve circulation like a professional massage. With adjustable settings, it targets the forefoot, arch, and heel for customized relaxation at the end of a long day. Easy to clean and designed with a safety auto shutoff, it's the perfect gift for anyone who deserves daily comfort. The Keywing key turner adds a wide, comfortable grip to your keys, making them easier to hold and turn with less hand strain. Its vibrant colors help quickly identify the right key, while the dimpled design prevents slips and drops. Lightweight and pocket-friendly, it's a simple yet life-changing tool for seniors, those with arthritis, or anyone who wants a more comfortable way to unlock doors. The Vosic Rollator and Transport Chair combo gives seniors the freedom to walk, rest, and ride in one convenient design. With a cushioned seat, extended backrest, and durable rubber wheels, it offers comfort, safety, and smooth movement on any terrain. Easy to fold and store, it's the perfect companion for active, independent living. This upgraded ergonomic seat cushion offers full wrap support to relieve pressure on the lower back, hips, sciatica, and tailbone. Made with premium memory foam, it molds to your body for all-day comfort while promoting proper posture. Portable, washable, and designed to fit almost any chair, it's the perfect upgrade for work, travel, or everyday seating. These sturdy bed rails give seniors and those with limited mobility the confidence to get in and out of bed safely. With an easy one-handed folding button, adjustable height, and a secure frame strap, it offers strong support up to 330 pounds. Lightweight yet durable, it's perfect for home or travel, ensuring safety and independence wherever you sleep. This lightweight vehicle support handle helps users stand or sit safely when getting in and out of a car, reducing the risk of falls. Compatible with most vehicles, it fits into the U-shaped door striker with no installation required and supports up to 300 pounds. With its non-slip ergonomic grip and portable design, it's a must-have travel aid for seniors, those with limited mobility, or anyone who values safety on the go. This portable wheelchair ramp offers a safe, sturdy solution for navigating 3 to 9-inch steps at home, in the garage, or on the go. Made from lightweight aluminum with a double non-skid surface and side baffles, it ensures stability while supporting up to 600 pounds. Foldable for easy transport and equipped with safety features like reflective strips and transition plates, it's perfect for wheelchairs, scooters, strollers, and more. These heavy-duty suction grab bars provide up to 500 pounds of support, making bathrooms safer for seniors, children, or anyone needing extra stability. With large 5.5-inch suction cups and a curved non-slip handle, they install in seconds on smooth surfaces without tools or drilling. Featuring a built-in safety indicator, they offer reliable portable support for showers, bathtubs, and toilets. This leg-elevating pillow combines memory foam and high-density foam to support recovery after surgery, improve circulation, and reduce swelling. Its non-slip bottom keeps it in place, while dual handles make adjusting and moving it effortless. With a removable washable cover and soft breathable fabric, it's designed for maximum comfort whether you're sleeping, resting, or relaxing.